Pancreatic cancer. Strange symptoms you never thought about. Have you ever wondered how many Americans face pancreatic cancer each year? Over 60,000 cases, and this number continues to rise. But what's most terrifying is not just the increasing numbers, but how this disease silently attacks the body without any warning signs. Pancreatic cancer is like a killer in the dark. It develops without clear symptoms, causes no pain, and, most importantly, is not easily recognized. The early symptoms are often vague and can be confused with other diseases, such as pancreatitis, liver problems, or common digestive issues. Because of this, most patients only discover it when the condition is already too advanced. At that point, treatment becomes a race against time, and the chances of survival become incredibly slim. Steve Jobs, the founder of Apple, and Alex Trebek, the famous TV host, are tragic examples of this disease. Their stories serve as a powerful reminder of the importance of early detection. Therefore, today, I want to share with you 11 important signs of pancreatic cancer. If recognized in time, these signs could save your life or the life of a loved one. Stay tuned until the end of the video, because the knowledge shared today could be the difference between life and death. Don't forget to click subscribe to my YouTube channel for more valuable health information that not only gives me more motivation to share, but also helps spread these important facts to more people. And first, let's understand what pancreatic cancer is. As you may know, the pancreas is a small but vital organ in the body. It is located deep in the abdomen and works tirelessly to support digestion and regulate blood sugar levels. The pancreas has two important functions. First, it produces insulin and glucagon hormones to control blood sugar levels, helping the body maintain stable energy. Second, it secretes powerful digestive enzymes that help break down food and absorb nutrients. But when the cells of the pancreas mutate and grow uncontrollably, they become pancreatic cancer. Cancer cells can spread quickly, invade surrounding tissues, and cause a range of complex symptoms. Sounds very serious, doesn't it? So, what symptoms can help us detect the disease as early as possible and increase the chances of successful treatment? If one day you look in the mirror and notice that your skin or the whites of your eyes have turned yellow, don't ignore it. This could be a sign that a tumor is pressing on the bile duct, causing bilirubin to not be able to drain out. Many people think that jaundice is only related to the liver, but in fact, this can be one of the first signs of pancreatic cancer. Some patients discover pancreatic cancer because of this symptom, even when they feel completely healthy. If you notice this unusual change, make sure to see a doctor for a checkup right away. Next, the second sign to watch out for is unexplained weight loss. Unexplained weight loss is a common yet concerning symptom, especially when it comes to pancreatic cancer. As a tumor grows in the pancreas, it can disrupt the digestion and absorption of nutrients. This prevents the body from converting food into energy as efficiently as before, leading to weight loss even if you haven't changed your diet or lifestyle habits. This weight loss may occur because the body needs to use more energy to fight the disease. If you notice that you've lost more than 10% of your body weight over a few months without any clear reason, this could be a sign of a serious health issue like pancreatic cancer. This is a warning that should not be ignored, as early detection and treatment can help prevent complications and improve recovery chances. If you experience this symptom, you should see a doctor right away to determine the cause and take timely action. Another sign that should not be overlooked is the loss of appetite. Did you used to love eating, but recently every meal has become a challenge? No appetite, no hunger, and even the smell of food doesn't excite you anymore? This can happen when the pancreas is affected by cancer. When the pancreas is cancerous, one of the often overlooked but important effects is the change in appetite. The tumor can release substances that interfere with hunger signals in the brain, causing the person to lose their appetite, even if they previously loved food. This is a sign of a change in the body's metabolism process, and it's not just a symptom, but a warning for a serious health condition. Loss of appetite can lead to nutritional deficiencies, and if not detected and treated promptly, this condition can lead to malnutrition, weaken the body, and affect its ability to fight disease. Therefore, if you notice a prolonged loss of appetite, especially without a clear cause, you should see a doctor to detect the issue early and prevent serious consequences. In addition, Another sign that you should not ignore is persistent abdominal pain. Abdominal pain is a common symptom in people with pancreatic cancer, and it often has a dull, prolonged nature that doesn't go away. The pain may not be confined to the abdomen but can radiate to the back or below the shoulder, causing discomfort and pain. Particularly when lying down, the pain may become more intense. This happens because the tumor puts pressure on surrounding tissues or nerves in the abdominal area, increasing the sensation of pain. This is a symptom that should not be overlooked, as it could be a warning sign of serious problems, especially pancreatic cancer. If you experience persistent abdominal pain without a clear cause, don't ignore it. Seeking help from a doctor is necessary for timely diagnosis and treatment. Persistent abdominal pain, especially when the cause is unknown, should be taken seriously and examined to avoid unwanted consequences. These are signs we don't expect, right? But that's not all. The following signs will surprise you even more. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel or liked the video, please do so that I have more motivation to continue sharing with you. Imagine, the pancreas plays an important role in the digestive process, especially helping to break down fat by secreting digestive enzymes. But when the pancreas is damaged, this function will be interrupted, leading to poor digestion and absorption of fat. This makes the body unable to process fat effectively, leading to some unpleasant symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, and fatty stools. Fatty stools are characterized by a foul odor, are greasy and difficult to wash off, which is a clear sign of a disruption in the digestive process. If you experience these symptoms for a long time without any apparent reason, this could be a warning sign of developing pancreatic cancer, because the pancreas can be damaged gradually before there are obvious signs. Recognizing the above symptoms will help you detect and treat it early, avoiding serious complications. If you encounter these problems, you should see a doctor for an accurate examination and diagnosis. In addition to the above symptoms, another notable sign is a change in the color of stool and urine. Because when the bile duct is blocked by a tumor, the process of removing bilirubin through the bile is interrupted, causing this substance to accumulate in the blood. Bilirubin is a waste product from red blood cells, which is normally excreted by the body through the bile. But when there is a blockage, it cannot escape, leading to obvious changes in the body. One of the most obvious signs is that the stool becomes pale and can even turn bright white, while the urine becomes dark, almost like the color of strong tea. This is a warning sign of obstruction in the bile duct, and this may be due to the pancreatic tumor putting pressure on the organs in the digestive system. When these symptoms appear, we cannot ignore them because they can be a sign of serious problems such as pancreatic cancer. If you notice these changes, seek prompt medical advice to determine the cause and get appropriate treatment. Well, I want to ask if anyone has had a persistent itch. If so, please leave a comment below this video. And I have advice for anyone who has that symptom to see a doctor immediately. Because itchy skin is not a common symptom, but it can occur when bilirubin accumulates in the blood, especially when a pancreatic tumor blocks the bile duct. When this happens, bilirubin cannot be excreted from the body as usual, causing substances in the blood to stimulate nerve endings in the skin. This causes itching, an uncomfortable symptom that cannot be ignored. In addition, another sign that requires attention is blood sugar disorder. The pancreas not only plays an important role in digesting food, but also has the responsibility of producing insulin. This is a crucial hormone that helps regulate blood sugar levels in the body. When the pancreas is affected by cancer, the production of insulin can be disrupted, leading to abnormal fluctuations in blood sugar levels. This can result in sudden onset diabetes or make it difficult to control blood sugar. Diabetes is not always linked to traditional risk factors, and if you find yourself experiencing symptoms of diabetes without a clear reason, it could be a warning sign of pancreatic cancer. Sudden changes in health, especially those related to blood sugar, should be taken seriously and checked to detect any serious issues early. If you experience this condition, you should see a doctor to determine the cause and take appropriate treatment measures. We've talked about 8 signs of pancreatic cancer, so what is the 9th sign? I'm sure everyone here has experienced the feeling of fatigue because life nowadays comes with so much pressure. However, if you experience prolonged fatigue, it could be a warning sign that your body is facing a serious health issue. especially if you've had enough rest but still feel exhausted. Pancreatic cancer is one of the potential causes of this fatigue because the disease forces the body to use a large amount of energy to fight cancer cells, leaving you constantly tired without any clear reason. The key is that the fatigue caused by pancreatic cancer is not like regular tiredness. It doesn't go away easily, even after you've rested enough. If you experience prolonged fatigue without a clear cause, this could be a sign of a serious health problem, and you should get a health checkup as soon as possible to find the cause. Early detection will help with effective treatment and improve your quality of life. The next sign you should not overlook is unusual blood clots. Pancreatic cancer can increase the risk of blood clots forming in the blood vessels, which is a serious health issue. When these blood clots form, they can block blood vessels, leading to dangerous complications like pulmonary embolism, which can affect breathing and circulation. One of the signs of a blood clot is swelling, pain, or redness in the leg, and these symptoms can appear suddenly without any clear cause. If you experience these symptoms, don't ignore them or delay seeing a doctor. Early detection of blood clots and timely treatment is crucial to avoid serious complications. You should stay alert to these signs as they could be one of the indications of pancreatic cancer, and a timely medical checkup will help protect your health. And finally, we come to a sign that few people expect, which is hypoglycemia of unknown cause. A rare form of pancreatic cancer can cause the overproduction of insulin, leading to sudden hypoglycemia. When blood sugar levels drop sharply, the body does not have enough energy to function normally, leading to symptoms such as dizziness, trembling, cold sweats, or even fainting. These are warning signs that the body is experiencing a serious disorder in the process of regulating blood sugar. If you often experience these symptoms without a clear reason, it could be a sign of a serious health problem, such as pancreatic cancer. Do not ignore this condition, because timely health checkups will help detect and treat early, avoiding dangerous complications that may occur. Pancreatic cancer is one of the most dangerous diseases, developing silently without clear symptoms until it reaches an advanced stage. However, by recognizing the warning signs in time, you can change the course of the battle against the disease. Signs such as jaundice, unexplained weight loss, loss of appetite, or persistent abdominal pain are not ordinary symptoms that you can ignore. Understanding and identifying these signs can help you detect pancreatic cancer early, thus increasing the chances of treatment and survival. If you found this information useful, don't forget to click subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on other important videos. Each subscription, like, and share of this video helps us spread valuable knowledge to more people, helping them understand more about cancer and effective prevention methods. This is the only way for us to raise awareness and protect public health together. Continue following the channel and explore more useful videos on how to recognize and prevent cancer, as well as other dangerous diseases available on our channel. We are committed to providing you with reliable knowledge to help you live a healthy and happy life. Don't miss the opportunity to learn and share this valuable information with friends and family. Thank you for watching, and we hope the information in this video helps you and your family have better health.